So friends, welcome to the new tutorial. In the previous tutorial we have learnt about how to change the theme, and in this tutorial we will learn how to install a new theme. So there is a difference to change the theme and to install a new theme. So first of all, you have to go to the Moodle site to search the new theme. So there are different ways you can directly search for Moodle themes, but we will go in a proper way. So after going to the Moodle site, search for plugins, which is in the bottom of the page. Click plugins. Then you have to search themes. So here you can see there are search bar like what is the purpose, plugin type, what are you looking for. So you have to click on plugin type, scroll to the bottom. Here you will see theme option. Now select theme and then click on search. So this will enable the search and it will get you all the available themes. So remember, there are many themes for different purposes, so you can do some research before downloading a theme. Here we are just downloading theme to make a tutorial. So for example, I am taking this theme called class. Now I will download this theme. So there are different versions for these themes. As you can see, current version is 3.6.2, which was released on Tuesday, January 29, 2019. So we will take the latest version. We'll say download. It will ask where to download. So now we can download it here. And it's showing say save. So as you can see, theme has downloaded. So now go back to your Moodle site. Here you have to click site administration. Then click on plugins. Then say install plugins. Okay, so here we have an option install plugin from zip file. So friends, remember, in Moodle, if you have to download and change anything, you have to go through these steps only, that is plugins. So why to install plugins? There is a very good reason for this. So plugins enable you to add additional features and functionality to Moodle, such as new activities, new quiz types, new reports, integration with other systems, and many more. So plugins are not just limited to themes. Plugins are limited, they are like unlimited, and they can provide you a lot of facility and ease your life. So now here it says you can drag and drop files to add them. So what we will do, we will say choose a file. It will say upload a file. So let's say choose a file. It will open this thing of search. Now from here select the theme which we have downloaded and say open. Now say upload this file. So you will notice that the name theme class Moodle has been uploaded in the install plugin. Now just click install plugin from the zip file. So as you can see, this is a confirmation from Moodle that install plugin from zip file, validating theme class OK, validation successful, installation can continue. Now say continue. Okay, so once you're on this place plugins check. Here you have to upgrade Moodle database. So click on upgrade Moodle database now. So this has uploaded the theme successfully. The new theme is uploaded. Now we will verify the theme. So there are some settings that you can do, but for the time we will skip this. So directly scroll to the bottom of the page, say save changes. Okay, so after installing the theme, we are back on our home page. So to check whether the theme has been installed or not, go to site administration. So we will repeat the same drill as we have done in the previous video. We will go to the appearance section, and from there we will change the theme. From here, select appearance, scroll down. Now select theme selector, but before that notice that the class name is already, the class theme name is already here. Yesterday it was just boost, clean and more. Today we have the theme updated, its class. So from theme selector we will select class theme. So before that we will just clear the theme caches. Just click this button, clear theme caches. Okay, so we have done this. This is a good practice to clear your site caches always. So now scroll to the bottom. As you can see, the current theme installed, or the current theme which is active, is the boost theme. So we have clean theme, then we have class theme which we have recently installed on our Moodle site, and then we have more theme. So all these themes are displayed in alphabetical order. So now we will say use theme for the class. So it's loading, it's taking time. Okay, so now we are on the updated theme. As you can see, our theme has been changed, and this is the totally new theme. So this is it for this video. This is how you install a new theme and change theme. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe this channel, like, share and comment. Do let me know if you have any doubts regarding Moodle. uh, that's it for this video, friends. Thank you.